Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by preparing the essentials and creating the virtual machine now. First, make sure you have Virtualbox installed and the Windows 95 ISO plus a boot floppy image. Create a new VM, select Windows 95 or Windows 95/98 type, and assign 64 to 256 megabytes of RAM. Keep the disk small, around 500 megabytes to 2 gigabytes, using an IDE controller. Once done, attach the floppy image to the virtual floppy and mount the Windows 95 ISO to the virtual CD-ROM before starting the VM. Now you'll perform the installation steps and configure the system. Boot the VM from the floppy image and use fdisk to create a primary FAT16 partition, then format it with an MS-DOS quick format. This is required because Windows 95 cannot use large modern file systems. Next, boot the installer from the CD-ROM and follow the setup screens, choosing typical options and rebooting when prompted. After installation, install display and mouse drivers. Virtualbox Guest Editions won't fully support 95, so use compatible drivers or community add-ons. Finish by tweaking settings and validating the installation so the system runs reliably. Power off the VM and set chipset to PX3, disable ECB if Windows 95 hangs, and ensure the virtual serial mouse or PS/2 mouse settings match the installed driver. This prevents pointer issues. Install a compatible network driver such as PCNet for internet access, and configure TCP/IP manually. If something goes wrong, revert to the snapshot you took before major changes. If boot fails, boot the floppy, check fdisk/format, and restore the disk image.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.